In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize the Wix members area for your site. By the end, you'll have a members only space where visitors can sign up, log in, and access exclusive content, perfect for communities, courses, or protected pages. First, head to wix.com and log into your account. From your sites list, choose the website you want to work on to open its Wix dashboard. On the left side, find the Apps option. This is your hub for extending your site's functionality, and it's where we'll get the members area. Next, open the App Market from the expanded Apps menu. Inside the App Market, scroll down until you see the Wix Business Solutions section. Look for Wix Members Area and click it. This takes you to the Overview page where you can quickly review what the app offers, like member profiles, sign up and login pages, and tools for restricting access. Taking a moment to scan this helps you understand how it fits into your site before you add it. When you're ready, click Add to Site. If you've previously installed it, you'll see Open instead. Wix will install and configure the members area for you, and this usually only takes a few seconds. You'll notice new system pages and elements appear, all designed to handle registration, login, and member navigation. After installation, you'll be taken to the Wix members area page, often in the Wix Studio, sometimes called the Harmony editor. If you don't land there automatically, use the page dropdown or the left side menu to locate the members area page. This is where you start shaping the experience. Begin by setting up your sign up and login pages. Adjust text, colors, and layout to match your brand, and make sure your messages are clear so wanted new visitors know exactly how to join. You can also decide what fields you want during sign-up and set expectations around approval if needed. Next, create member-only sections. You can mark entire pages or specific content blocks as accessible to members only, which is ideal for lessons, downloads, or community updates. Finally, control visibility rules so only logged-in members see protected content. Think about what should be public to entice visitors and what should be gated to reward registration. When you're happy with the setup, click Publish in the top right corner. Your Wix Studio site now has a fully functional members area, ready to host exclusive content for registered users. It's a straightforward way to build engagement, nurture loyal audiences, and keep sensitive materials protected. That's all for today.